Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to cover how we can remove files and directories. So the first point we are going to cover how to remove links. The next how to remove files and directories. And the next is going to be the effect on the links after removing linked file. So the first point we are going to cover remove file with rm command with the file name, and the file name is the original file name that we want to remove. And then we will cover removing the directories recursively. So we will use rm command with option R. Directory name is the original directory that we want to remove, and the R is the option that we will use to remove our directory and its all contents recursively. So now let's jump into our Linux terminal and show you how these commands actually work. Okay, now we are in our Linux terminal. Let us first look using ls command that all the previous work which we have done is already present. So we're going to type lsl, and yes, of course we have folder 1, folder 2, and our test file and their links as well. As you can see, there are 4 links for our test file, as you can see on the second field. So let us now use rm command to remove our hard link first. So we're going to use rm, and then we're going to use test file and type dash hard link. Okay, now our test file with the hard link has been removed. Let us use the same ls command to check what is the effect on the links. Okay, now you can see the test file hard link has been removed and the number has been decreased to 3. As you can see, the number of count is now 3. Before it was 4 here. Let us now remove our test file which we actually worked on. Let me first clear the screen and then remove our test file. First, let me use lsl to see that our test file exists. So I'm going to use rm with I option that it's going to give me some interaction. I really want to remove the test file and hit enter, right? And then I'm going to press Y on the keyboard and it had removed our test file as well. Let me check with ls command now. As you can see, I removed the target file, the test file, and the look at the soft link which I created in the previous video. The test file link has turned to red and the target file is now blinking. So this happens when you remove the original file which has soft link. This happens that the link is now broken and the link has turned into different color. Let us now read the soft link for the test file and see what happens. You're going to use less command and then test file hyphen soft link and hit enter. As you can see, it tells us there is no such file or directory because we have removed the target file which was connected to this link. Let us now remove the soft link. So we're going to use rm and then we're going to use test file and soft. Hit enter. And it has removed the link. Let us now verify it with lsl command. So we can see that the rm has removed our link as well. So let me clear the screen first and then type lsl. So we have 2 folders. Let us now check using ls command and folder 1. So we have 2 links. How can we remove that? We can use 2 commands here using removing the directory, or we can go into the folder 1 and then remove our links. For example, I'm going to change to folder 1 first and then type ls l, and there are 2 links already. So let's remove our hard link first, and I'm going to use rm test file and hard and then hit enter. So it had removed our hard link as well. So let me show you how we can use a recursive R option to remove the directory. Let me go back to playground and clear the screen first. To remove directories, what we can use, we're going to use rm-r and then use folder 1. So what it will do, it will remove folder 1 and all the contents in the folder 1. So let's verify it with LSL. And yes, we have only folder 2. To remove folder 2, we can use the same command here, right? So it will delete our folder 2 and the contents in it. But let me first show you the contents of folder 2 and hit enter. So we have two links in it, hard link and soft link. So we're going to remove using our rmr command to delete folder 2 and its contents. So now we have removed our folder 2 as well. So now our playground is completely empty. Let's us go back and type lsl, right? So we have a lot of folders, but we want to remove our playground as well. Let me first clear the screen and then we are going to remove rm and then we're going to use our playground and hit enter. So our rm command doesn't work on this playground directory. We can use rmdir as well, as I have shown you during the lecture. So rmdir and then type playground and it will work. And it has now removed our playground directory as well. We can verify it with LSL. As you can see now, we do not have any playground. So let me clear the screen. It is time to summarize what we have learned in this session. First, we have learned how to remove files and links with rm command and the file name, of course. And then we also learned how to remove directories recursively using the option R. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.